Norman Bethune, 1890–1939, is most remembered as being the first to introduce the mobile blood bank to the battlefield, where he performed countless blood transfusions in the midst of heavy fighting. In 1938, he traveled to China, where he became a battlefield surgeon for Chinese Communist forces under Mao Zedong. Bethune's commitment to the welfare of soldiers and civilians during the Sino-Japanese War made him a hero in the People's Republic of China.